Summer Adventures for Kids. Welcome to a summer of fun and adventure. Let's explore exciting activities for kids this holiday. 1. Dive into the fun. Swimming in pools and beaches keeps you cool and happy during summer. 2. Play beach games. Volleyball, sandcastle building, and frisbee make for great sunny fun. 3. Go hiking. Discovering nature trails teaches kids about the great outdoors and its beauty. 4. Enjoy cold treats. Ice cream and popsicles are perfect for cooling down on hot summer days. 5. Bike rides. Kids can explore their neighborhoods or parks, feeling the breeze as they pedal. 6. Attend summer camp. Making friends, learning skills, and enjoying fun outdoor activities await. 7. Get creative. Summer is a great time for arts and crafts, letting kids express their artistic side. 8. Plan a picnic. Enjoying meals outdoors, surrounded by nature, is a delightful summer experience. 9. Attend local festivals. Games, rides, and treats create thrilling summer memories with family. 10. Explore reading. Summer is perfect for diving into new stories and adventures through books. Get ready to experience these exciting activities that make summer unforgettable for children. So, gear up for your summer adventures. Which activity will you choose first?